Kayangan Lake. You've seen it in postcards and Instagram posts. But here's the twist. That viral view? It's not the lake. It's this overlook, perched above Coron Bay. Welcome to WonderLast. Today, we're taking you beyond the surface, to the sacred waters of Kayangan Lake. Reaching Kayangan Lake takes effort. 367 steps to be exact. 15 minutes. 2 legs. And one heart-pounding, unforgettable view of the lake. Below the cliffs lies a lake so clean, it's often called the purest in all of Asia. The water? A perfect fusion of sapphire blue and emerald green. Kayangan Lake is brackish, half freshwater, half salt. You'll actually feel temperature layers as you swim. It's like floating through a living science experiment. There's little to no marine life here. Just you, the cliffs, and silence. Perfect for underwater photography or that iconic floating shot. Motorboats are banned. Waves? Non-existent. The water turns into glass, shattered only by the bold splashes of wonderstruck swimmers. These limestone cliffs? They were once coral reefs, submerged, fossilized, and uplifted by time. You're swimming in ancient geology when you dip into the clear waters of Kayangan Lake. Kayangan Lake is sacred, managed by the indigenous Tagbanwa people. It's part of their ancestral domain. Out of the 8 lakes on the island, only 2 are open to the public: Kayangan Lake and Barracuda Lake. What is the most famous lake in the world? Justin Timberlake. This isn't just a tourist stop. It's a place of heritage. So, be respectful. Wear the life vests. Honor the rules. On the way back up at about 204 steps, there's a viewing deck. And this is the moment everyone films, the cinematic payoff above Coron Bay. There's a platform where visitors can have their pictures taken, with the famous view of Coron Bay in the background. One of the tour crew did some acrobatic climbing and took these amazing shots. From its sacred roots to its surreal beauty, Kayangan Lake is one of the Philippines' true wonders. But don't take my word for it. See it for yourself. If you love this video, hit like, subscribe to WonderLast, and ring the bell for more deep dive travel stories that go beyond the usual.